NOVA.
The flip. uh, Oops. Oh, agar ang tangkip. The flip. strong weapon.
Tell me about him. What kind of guy is he?
I've only met him a few times, but he seems great. Very relaxed, fun-loving. He really brings out that fighting blood. He reminds me of my ex, actually. Yeah, the infamous Brad Buckley. Oh, it wasn't exactly the best of breakups. Long story, but that's ancient history. We haven't spoken in about 5 years. Oh,
Mama
and
Vanavond.
Oh, yeah, this is perfect space for the rehearsal dinner, don't you think, Lucas?
Yeah, this will be great.
Speaking of the rehearsal dinner, I figured out what I want for our signature drink.
Oh. Hey. Sorry to interrupt. Buddy? Hey, man, look at this gorgeous couple. Jennifer. Made a big mistake. Olivia, this is Brad.
Oh, you must be the best man.
I am. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Olivia and Miss O'Lean.
Oh, it's incredible up here.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we really love it. Oh, speaking of, there's Nick. Hey, Emily. Hey. Brad,
Hey, Elise.
what are you doing here?
I'm the best man. What are you doing here?
I'm the wedding planner.
Okay. So you two?
Yeah, we've met.
Yeah, we go way back. Seriously? Small world. Very. It's a very small world.
Why don't we get ratchet in?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's do it.
What's going on? Nothing. It's all good. Tell me. I'm just
Glitch.
you know, Brad being here. Wait, tell me. You remember that guy I told you about? No way. Yeah. What's happening? We bought chances. I'm trying to figure it out. I am too.
Abba.
I'm so sorry.
It's nice and nice, is it? Very same. Oh, boy. Yeah.
It's fine. There will officially be no problems at your wedding. You understand me? Are you sure? 150%. Come on.
Brad, how long you known Lucas? Oh, what, 5 years? Yeah. Brad owns an expedition business. We met on one of his trips. No, what kind of expedition? Hiking, river rafting, kayaking. Yeah, we hiked the Grand Canyon. Got caught in a sudden hailstorm. Ooh, you're here to talk about it? Yeah, kind of big bungee for life.
So you own your own company?
I do. Yeah, a couple offices actually.
Oh,
I actually have an office in New York, as a matter of fact.
wow. Small world.
Very small. Cut your hair.
About 5 years ago?
It's great.
Mama, ik vind me gewoon pannenkoek gemaakt en vleesje gemaakt. Pannenkoek en vleesje.
Well, that's not what I meant.
Mama moet eerst het oor.
All here.
Mama moet dit oor.
Oor met dit bakken nie oor.
Ja. So ek het dit in 'n nuwe oond gesit dat dit bietjie kan lekker warm word.
Okay.
Maar wat gaan mama vir mama maak?
Ek dink ek gaan pannenkoek maak.
Mama, ek sal pannenkoek.
You don't have to
Ek
make
sal vir
decisions
mama
fast.
help.
Oh, this guy is useless.
Okay.
Dis wat daai ding is.
Sy
This French toast has my name written all over it.
dan kan ons se paai.
Morning. Have a good sleep? Perfect. And I love my room.
Yeah, mine's awesome too.
Good.
So Jen tells me we have a pretty intense week today.
Intense fun. And you are going to get it. We can't finish the final dust today. You will stay until I walk in.
I can't wait. Morning.
Sit daar.
There you go. Okay.
This is not my name.
Coffee's good.
Doen ze hier een cirkel?
Morning.
Morning. Everybody happy? Totally. Couldn't be better.
I have a feeling this could be a very long wedding.
I wonder what happened between those two.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get some eggs. I have eggs right here. No. The ones out there look great. Wait.
Mama, je gooit iets zo man.
Picky.
Als het
Look, dude, I have an idea for the first date anniversary.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm thinking about making him a photo album. You know, with all the pictures of when we first started dating.
Mama, je een klein gooitje maakt, dan ga ik dat van de koeken en je moet baren, dan kan mama geven, dan kan onze papa geven, dan gaat onze papa nog iets geven, van mama iets geven, van mij iets geven, van mij ook.
I don't know. Why? Do we have something on the schedule?
Dan nog.
Why did you ask?
I was just curious.
Zachtjes.
Duke,
Yeah.
why are you acting so,
Nou, gewoon
well, I
act.
don't know, you're just kind of acting,
Chelsea banden.
Omdat je het doet graag.
Hey, Duke. You busy? Not at all.
Je mis.
What the?
What's up? They don't have any. They said it's been discontinued. What? Well, that's what I thought. I think I have an idea. Yes, I understand. That's what it means. I'm not raising my voice. I realize that. But yes, I did. I talked to them, but they told me to talk to you. Wait, what? What did you say? What? Excuse me, can you repeat that? Anita? Oh, Vonita with a V. Okay. And Ada. Got it. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. You just saved my life. Okay,
The
that's
flip
good.
needs help.
At least we got a solid piece. So that's 3 down to 1 to go. For the first part, but I still don't know how we're going to do the second part. Could I have a little enthusiasm here? It's nerve-wracking enough as it is. Deep breaths, buddy. You're doing great. You mind?
sure, feel free.
What's on the agenda today?
Yep, and I've got it all under control.
Don't doubt that. So this is pretty crazy, right?
Stop.